Let's take a look at the next example. Before I do anything else, I'm going to decide whether my answer is going to be a negative or a positive. Take a look. If you take a negative number and divide it by a positive number, the result is going to be a negative number. So my final answer is going to be negative. So I just need to remember that. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through my steps. Step 1 says convert both the numerator and denominator to fractions. So I take this denominator and I place it over 1 to make it into a fraction. So 7 as a fraction is 7 over 1. So we completed step 1. Step 2 says change out the fraction bar for the other division symbol. So I replace this fraction bar with a division symbol. And you want to make sure to write the numerator first, so the negative 3/8, and then the denominator second, which is the 7. And then I'll rewrite this to prepare for the final step. Step 3 says use the keep change reciprocal method to change division to multiplication and then multiply. So I keep the first fraction. So leave the negative 3/8 alone, change the division to multiplication, and then you write the reciprocal of 7 over 1, which would be 1/7. And then from here, there's nothing that I can reduce diagonally. 3 and 7, we can't reduce that. 8 and 1, we can't reduce that. So I go ahead and I multiply the numerators, and I multiply the denominators, and I get negative 3 over 56 as my final answer. And this cannot be reduced.